Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead over to MetaTrader 5. Open up your account. Okay, you could go to use this one in a real account or a demo account. Okay, so once you have your demo account or real account, I'm just going to show you. I'm logged into my real account right here. So just tap on Add a Trading Account. And here it says Find Broker. So what we'll do is just go out and find the Exness app. Okay, tap on it. Now we have here our account. Tap on Details. Now go ahead and go to Settings. Scroll down a bit. And as you can see, we have here the trading platform MetaTrader 5. So what we're going to do is just tap on Server, Copy button. Go back to the Broker section under MetaTrader 5. Tap and hold and hit on Paste. Just wait for it and just tap on the only search result. Okay. Now, once that's done, it says here log in. So just go ahead and go back to Exness. Here's your login. Copy it, paste that in here, and just enter your password. If you don't know your password or forgot your password, you can just go ahead and change your trading password right here. Okay. So I remember mine. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And once that's done, just tap on login. And everything should be loaded. And that's basically it. That is how you link your Exness trading account or broker to MetaTrader 5. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.